You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting and important Japanese word. Japanese word for heart or mind or soul or essence as well. Kokoro. Kokoro is how the Japanese say it. Kokoro, with a slight stress on the second syllable, although Japanese doesn't really emphasize on one specific syllable. They're both pretty much equally stressed, but a little bit more on the second one. Kokoro, kokoro, or kokoro in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.